Greetings everyone, our team's name is Future Builders.
In India, most of the people prefer to walk. By this preference, we have created a prototype. Our idea is about generating electricity just by footsteps.
Our country, India, faces two major problems. First, plastic, and second, electricity shock. So we have decided to kill two birds with one egg.
The idea focuses on creating electricity just by walking. The regular footpath tiles are being replaced from those made up of recycled plastic. The tiles has pressure-based power generating system inside them.
Whenever a person walks on these tiles, the pressure exerted by the weight of a person is converted into electrical energy and then stored in the power storage unit for the later use.
Our prototype is about generating clean energy for the cleaner environment. Thank you.
Thank you.